Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, it's Miss Fifield from Tubman. I'm going to lead you through today's lesson, week 1, day 4. So, if you have your packet, awesome. If you don't, that's okay too, because we have it up on the screen for you. All right, our fluency, cats and kittens. 1A says, Ray's cat had 6 kittens. His neighbor adopted 2 of them. How many kittens does Ray have left? Now, remember when we were in the class, we made a poster with different words that told us if we were going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. And hopefully you remember that when we're talking about what's left after taking some away, we're subtracting. So you're going to want to select 6 minus 2 equals blank. Ray had kittens left. Ray had 4 kittens left. 2A, Marsha's cat had 6 kittens. She gave all of them away by giving 2 kittens each to some of her neighbors. How many neighbors got 2 kittens? So she starts with all 6 cats and she gives 2 to someone and then 2 to another person and 2 to another neighbor until she's all out of kittens. So you're going to be dividing there because you're taking the total and then you're grouping and sharing those kittens. So 6 divided by 2. Neighbors get 2 kittens each. That would be 3 neighbors get 2 kittens each. We can check our division with multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. 3A, one of Larry's cats had 6 kittens. Another one of his cats had only 2 kittens. How many kittens were there in all? Those words in all tell us we are going to add. We have 6 plus 2 more kittens. There were kittens in all. There were 8 kittens in all. All right, we're going to move on to the daily task. Many problems can be solved in different ways. Decide if the following word problems can be solved using multiplication. Explain your thinking and then solve the problem. Problem A, Liam is cooking potatoes. The recipe says he needs 5 minutes for each pound of potatoes you are cooking. How many minutes will it take Liam to cook 12 pounds of potato? Now, I don't have my smartboard and markers, but I'm going to use these to write. So if it gets a little messy, I apologize. We need 5 minutes for each pound. He has 12 pounds of potatoes. We're going to be multiplying 5 times 12 to see how many minutes he's going to cook those in all. Now multiplying 5 times 12, you can skip count by 5 to 12, or we can break 12 down into 2 smaller, more manageable numbers, like 10 and 2, using a number bond. Then you will multiply 5 times 10, which is 50, and we will multiply 5 times 2, which is 10, and then we will add those parts together to get our total product. 50 plus 10 is 60. So Liam needs 60 minutes to cook the potatoes, and 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. So if you wrote 60 minutes or 1 hour for your answer, both are correct. All right. Let's move on to question B. Mel is designing cards. She has 4 different colors of paper and 7 different pictures she can glue on the paper. How many different designs can she make using 1 color of paper and 1 picture? Before we solve that, I made us a model to kind of show you what this question is asking. So if you can see down on the side here, I made 4 different colors of paper and then 7 different pictures across the top and built an array to show each different design that she could make. We know when we build an array, we're multiplying our length and width. So we have 4 rows and 7 in each row. So we are multiplying 4 times 7. You can skip count by 4 7 times, or skip count by 7 4 times. Either way, you will get 28. There's 28 different cards that she can make when she uses all the different colors and pictures. All right, let's move on to C. Nina can practice a song 6 times in an hour. If she wants to practice the song 30 times before the recital, how many hours does she need to practice? So if she's practicing 6 times in 1 hour, when we hear the word times, we know that we're talking about multiplication. That's another word from our poster. She wants to practice 30 times in all, so that's going to be our product here. We've got to figure out what to multiply 6 by to get 30. And do that by skip counting. So I'm going to skip count below here. We have 6, 12. How many times do I have to skip count by 6 to get to 30? 18, 24, and 30. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That means she has to practice for 5 hours so that she can practice 30 times before her recital. All right. I hope the packets are going really well. Remember, you can always reach out to me. You can reach out to Miss Cotter. You can reach out to Miss Fisher. We can help you on the phone. We can help you over FaceTime. Just make sure you ask your parents before. Check back on this YouTube page each day. We'll try to have the video for that day posted by 11. I know I'm a little late today, so I'm sorry. Keep working hard. Keep taking care of yourself, staying home, staying healthy and safe. And we miss you. We can't wait to see you soon.